Watch this. I'm about to message this WhatsApp number like a customer will do. It replies instantly with a full support answer. No human behind it. This is a 24/7 AI customer support agent. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to build it step by step. Businesses lose customers every day because they don't respond quickly on WhatsApp. But with an AI agent like this, your business can respond 24/7 instantly and of course answer questions, guide customers, and even capture leads automatically. Now to build this, we will only need three things. The first one is ElevenLabs creative interface. Second is WhatsApp integration, and lastly is your support knowledge base, what we call the brain of the AI agents, where you have your business information. Now let's move over to the ElevenLabs interface and get started. So I'm going to log in. Okay, so here we are on the home page of ElevenLabs. On this tab right here, you can see other features. So very quickly, I'm going to go to 11 agents. So it's going to open up the agent building interface. If you click on this agent tab, so you're going to see this interface here, and you can click on this one to start building new agents. You can use their templates. Okay, let's browse the templates first. So you can see their templates right here. Once you click on the tab right here, the workflow interface is going to show up at your far right. We're going to start from the scratch. You're going to click on this plus button. So I click on it, and it's going to show you where you can start with building personal assistant or business agents. So ours is going to be business agent because what we are building is going to be for our business. So I'm going to click on business agents. Okay, so you can see quite a lot of options from where you can choose. So ours is going to be about professional services. So I'm going to click on this one, and then we have customer support. That's what we want. I'm going to click on this, and then you input your knowledge base. Actually, let's go back. I'm going to show you something right here. Okay, so over here you can see the knowledge base. So you can upload your knowledge base here. Just fill in your knowledge base, populate this area with your knowledge base first before you begin building the AI agents. All right, you can do it first before you start, or you can do it while you are building. You can add it as a URL. In other words, you can use the URL of your website. The agent is going to essentially scan through your website and give the information it retrieves from there to your customers. And then you can add a file. So add file, you can essentially upload it. If I click on it, you can upload it right here. Okay, so this place here, this is my best option, is actually to copy the text format of that your knowledge base and paste it right here and click create text. Okay, the last one, you can actually create a folder. All right, but I already have a text format and also the URL of my website. Okay, so let's go back to the AI agent. Okay, so we're going to click on this business agent. All right, and then we click on professional service, and then we continue customer support, knowledge base, which we did earlier. So I'm going to skip it and I'm going to give it a name. You give name to your agent, and you name your website right here. That is actually optional. And then main goal, what you want the agent to do for you, you're going to put it right here, and then you continue all the way until you finish it up. Okay, but what I want to show you is that I already built an agent, customer support agent. You can see right here. So I'm going to just use this as an example to show you exactly what you're going to do. So I'm going to act as if I'm editing it. You can see the system prompts, and then you have over here the first message. Hello, my name is Elia, CTech support agent. How can I assist you today? Once that is done, you're going to set your time zone. Then once you're done with that, so over here you choose your voice. I decided to choose Laurent. Down here you also pick the language. Which language do you want the AI agent to speak? It's going to essentially show you other languages that are available. Choose your LLM models, that's the AI model that you want to use. Currently I have Gemini 2.5 Flash, right? If you click on this small arrow right here, it's going to show you other models that are available. And once you're done filling all these details, go ahead to the top right corner and click on this publish. Now it is inactive because I already published it. That's why it is inactive. In your own case, of course, if you are starting off, you're still building, it's going to be inactive, and you click on it to activate it. And over here you can see preview. If you click on preview, it's going to essentially show you the interface that the user will see before interacting with it. You can type message here, and you can also click on this black button right here to call and speak to the agent. So that's it for the agent. We build the agent. Now we need to connect our WhatsApp to that agent so that when our users or our customers want to chat with us via our WhatsApp number, they can actually be responded to by the AI agent as though you were the one responding to them. I'm going to click on this. So something that I need to tell you before you connect your WhatsApp account is the fact that ensure that you have a number in place that you have not used for any WhatsApp account before, and ensure that you have already created WhatsApp business on your Facebook. WhatsApp is owned by the same organization that owns Facebook and Instagram. Their development environment is Meta, META. So that means that if you need to integrate WhatsApp to any other app, you need to have an account with Meta. That is not difficult. With your Facebook account, you can create a business account in your Facebook. Anybody can do it. Okay, so essentially we're going to come to this interface. We're going to connect our Meta accounts to ElevenLabs. Continue. Of course, if you click on this small arrow here, you're going to see other Facebook business pages that you already have in your Facebook account. So if I click on this, you can see down here you still have another one here, but here it is not active. So you're still only going to pick only one. So I've decided to pick this one. And the next thing you're going to do here is that you're going to ask your WhatsApp business account. So I will create a WhatsApp business account. So I'm going to click on this first option here, and I'll click next. So once I get here, it's going to show me this option. So I'm going to choose a business category on professional services, and then my current location, and you can see my website right here. And then if you have a website, you can fill it here. If you don't, just keep it. And then here is your time zone. You fill it right there. Next. Here we are on the next thing to do. So here it says use a display name, and the second one is say add a new number. So I'm going to add a new number, a new WhatsApp number, country code. So I'm going to pick this one. I'll click on it. I'll pick my telephone number. 66. You write the name of your company right here, the same one we'll be using. So I will leave it as it is. How do I want to verify this number? Is it by phone call or by text message? So I'm going to choose text message. Next. So you can see now code sent successfully. So a code has been sent to that my number. So I'm going to copy the code and put it right in here. So I'll click next. So over here I'm going to confirm your account is connected to ElevenLabs. So you can see the WhatsApp account right here. I'll just simply click on finish, and that's it. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Okay, so our agent is ready. You can see the number here. Down here, I'm going to now add the agent. So I have one right there. So I'm going to pick it, which is customer support. And that's essentially, you can see automatically it saves right here. So right now the agent is ready. The next thing we're going to do right now is to test it. Okay, so what we'll do right now is that you're going to make sure that this number is saved in your mobile phone or in your contact list in such a way that WhatsApp can actually capture it, just the same way you saved your friend's number, your relative's number in your WhatsApp contacts, and then you can go ahead and chat with them right there. That's the same way you're going to save this number in your contact list on WhatsApp, and then it's going to show up as a WhatsApp number, and then you can go right there and chat with it. I've already saved this number in my WhatsApp contact, and so I'm going to chat with it. Okay, so right now I'm going to go to my WhatsApp right here. It's my WhatsApp, my personal WhatsApp. So I'm going to search for this number. I already saved it. I saved it with C-text. So I will search for C-text right here, and this is it. So I'm now going to say hello. Let's see whether it responds automatically. Okay, so you can see here, say hello, I am here to help you with any questions you might have about C-text services. Let me go ahead to say, I need to find out about your services. What do you do? Okay, so you can see, say absolutely, C-text offer a range of remote professional services. Can I book appointment? for AI automation training? Okay, so you can see, say yes, absolutely. To get started, could you please let me know your preferred date, time for the training? So I'm going to say every Monday, 6 p.m. All right, so thank you for the information. To book an AI automation training for every Monday at 6 p.m., I'll need a few more details from you. Could you please provide your full name, phone number, and email? I have your details as follows: name Samson David, email, and that, and all of that. You can see intelligently it's able to capture these details, right? And it's going to make them available to me as the business owner, and so that when I get to see this information, then I follow up on the person immediately, right, without wasting time. So the next thing we're going to do right now is to actually embed it. Once you're done building your AI agents, ElevenLabs is going to do a great job for you by simply, automatically creating a widget embedding for you that you can copy and actually embed it on your social media handles profile. You can embed it on your website or on your app or anywhere else. Look at it. You can see it right here. So I'm going to click on it. So you can see same interface that we saw on ElevenLabs homepage. So over here, I can start chatting again. I can say hello here. How can I help you with services? Tell me your services. And that's it. You can see essentially the same thing answering me automatically. Okay, so that's for text functionality. Let's look at the voice and see if it does the same thing. Okay, so I'm gonna activate the voice. So I'm gonna click on this.
Hello, my name is Elia, CTEX's support agent. How can I assist you today?
Hello Elia, how are you doing today?
I am doing well, thank you for asking. I'm here and ready to assist you with any questions or needs you may have regarding CTEX services.
Okay, very good. I am actually looking for a training opportunity for AI automation. I wouldn't know whether CTEX offers such a service.
Absolutely. CTEX does offer technical training, including programs for AI automation. We provide comprehensive training to upskill individuals and teams in modern technologies and automation tools.
All right, that's fantastic. Okay, I will love to book an appointment with you to see how I can discuss my preference with one of your experts.
That's wonderful. I can certainly help you with that. To book an appointment, I'll need a few details from you. Could you please provide your preferred date and time for the discussion, as well as your full name, phone number, and email address?
Okay, my phone number is 0005524 and my email is daniel@gmail.com. And of course, my preferred period of training will be every Tuesday by 10 a.m.
Thank you for providing your phone number as 0005524 and your email as daniel@gmail.com. You also mentioned your preferred training period would be every Tuesday at 10 a.m. Could you please also provide your full name so I can finalize the appointment booking for you?
Oh, sorry about that. My full name, Daniel Jixon.
Thank you, Daniel Jixon. So to confirm, we are looking to book an appointment for AI automation training for Daniel Jixon with the phone number 0005524 and email daniel@gmail.com for every Tuesday at 10 a.m. Once this is confirmed, I will let you know the next steps for your appointment. Does that sound correct?
Absolutely, that's good. It's correct. Thank you very much.
Excellent. Thank you for confirming, Daniel. To finalize your appointment for AI automation training every Tuesday at 10 a.m., please use one of our convenient booking links. Once you've scheduled through the link, you will receive a confirmation email with all the details. Please let me know if you have any questions or need further assistance with the booking process.
Okay, that will be all. Thank you very much and bye for now. So you can see it essentially got the transcript of our conversation. In case you miss anything, you can always go back to the transcript and check to the show. And that's it. You now have a 24/7 WhatsApp AI customer support agent that can respond to customers instantly without any human intervention. This can be used for customer support, lead generation, product information, appointment booking, business automation, and so much more. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials on AI tools, automation, and building smarter digital systems. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.